taking this YouTubing stuff serious. Yes, before I can get this, I'm actually taking it. The energy is coming. The energy is coming. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Imole Femi. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have great content here, please stay. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. I love you guys so much. You guys are the real MVPs. So guys, a lot have been happening, like a whole lot. My baby is teething. Like, he has been cranky. On my last vlog, I complained that my baby was cranky and stuff like that, but I don't know that he was teething because I didn't even notice. I don't know what I was doing that day. I just opened his mouth. I saw his gum was swollen. He has this stuff like boil on his face. So I was told he was teething. Apart from being cranky, he's actually eating well, and I thank God for that he's eating well, because that would have been another stuff, my baby not eating well. I don't know why. I'm always scared for babies not eating well. So guys, I just came back from church. Yes, I'm starting this vlog on Sunday. I just came back from church. I'm like, let me vlog, because I got this package from Jumia yesterday. I ordered for tripod, support and mic. Yes guys, we are moving. Yeah, we are moving. We are making progress. Yes, so they called and I went for it yesterday. I was not expecting it yesterday. I was still expecting like next week or so. So I was like, it's fast. So guys, I'll be unboxing what I got with you guys. I'll be unboxing it with you guys. So let's get to that, because I have to attend to my baby now. So guys, this is how the package looks like. I guess this is the mic, I don't know, or this is the stand. So I'll be unboxing it with you guys. I've actually opened this one because I want to know what is inside. Okay, this is the tripod support, guys. Oh, well, it's looking small. I mean, it's my eye. I don't think I can hold the camera and unbox, so because I'm actually holding the camera with one hand and I'm trying to open it, and it's not that convenient. So I guess I should just let me not go and spoil it though. Guys, I think I'll just remove it and show you guys. This is how it looks like. I was actually thinking that it's bigger than this. So okay, I think you can adjust it to be long. It's more convenient vlogging with this, honestly guys. Yes, you can just open it and put it as a stand. Wow, I like it. But it's actually looking small in my eye, seriously. I don't know if this is how it used to. Guys, let's unbox the mic. So guys, I did not know that this stuff was actually inside. Like, I was busy looking at these parts. Like, I was surprised now. This is not what I ordered for. I be Jimmy, I've started doing what I ordered versus what I got to. So this part is actually there. I didn't check for it. So I'll just fix my phone here. And instead of holding my phone with my hands, I actually like it. Is nice, but it's looking small. I'll say the truth, it's looking small because what I saw was bigger than this. Guys, let me know in the comment section if this how the size is. I don't know. Like, I'll show you what I'm going to put it on the screen of what I actually saw and what I'm getting. Let me check the mic, So guys, let's check for the mic. Let's check for the mic. I'm going to drop my phone and open it. I can't hold my phone and unbox it, please guys. So let me do that now. The mic looks like Like, I want you guys to hear me better, because some people are always complaining that you're not hearing me. My voice is low and stuff like that. So I had to get the mic. So this is how the mic looks like. So my next video, I'm going to be using it, and you guys will see how it works, guys. So guys, I'm so happy I got this. Like, seriously, I'm so happy. I'm actually taking this YouTubing stuff serious. Yes, before I can get this, I'm actually taking it serious. Like, when I'm not serious about stuff, I don't take a step further. So now, guys, I'll be getting a camera. Yes, so the next one I'll be getting a camera. Then I'm getting set. I'm getting all set. I'll be getting a camera next. So I'm going to be filming everything I do this week, guys. Like, the energy is coming. So guys, bye. Hey guys, good morning. So guys, I've not been able to vlog since on Sunday that I picked my camera. On Sunday was the last time I picked my camera. Today is Friday, guys. Like, I told you guys my baby was teething and everything, so I just had to attend to it. Well, I could not vlog. I could not carry my camera to vlog. So guys, my baby is getting much better now, but I noticed something. His gum will get swollen, the next day to go back, get swollen, go back. Like, I don't understand. I really want to know what's happening. Let me know in the comment section if that has happened to your baby before, because the boy that is coming out here will go come back. I'm not really understanding. So guys, I'm going to fix my nails today. You can see I'm all dressed up. Like, let me take care of myself today. So I want to go and fix my nails. I normally fix long nails, but because of my baby, I'll be fixing short nails. The last time I fixed short nails was during my birthday, and I was not comfortable with it. I felt so bad. I love fixing my nails. So this time around, I'm going to try it out again, but I'll make the nails light this time around, because I thought because the last one I fixed double nails. Maybe that's why it's heavy. So I'll fix just one. I'm not going to do double nails today. So guys, I'm going to take you guys along. I'm going to this place for the first time. Yes, I just want to patronize her today, so I'm going for the first time. I don't know, this mic is not miking. No, I don't understand. It's not miking. I don't even know. Like, it's making this noise. I want to know in the comment section. Like, I don't understand the mic. Okay, let me not say anything yet. Let me just know in the comment section if the mic is miking, because I don't understand this mic. So guys, I might end up fixing my nails and doing something else. That's what I used to do. I'll go somewhere for something, I'll see another thing and I'll do it. So I don't know, it might not be only my nails I'll be fixing. So guys, I'll just take you guys along on anything I do today. Like, my baby is fine today. He's not sleeping, but I'm taking him along. So anything I do today, I'm going to vlog. Yeah, so guys, come along with me and let me know in the comment section if this mic is
I've been thinking about myself today, thinking how I changed, how I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. Do you remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. I guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. but I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows. And I don't care if I got much at all here in this small town, 'cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same holes one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be ending this vlog here, guys. I know, right? This vlog has been going like this, like this, like this. Things don't always go as planned, yes, guys. I don't want to bore you guys with this vlog by continuing, so let me end the vlog here, guys. I'll be seeing you guys on my next vlog. I promise to give you guys a very nice and interesting vlog. Yes, my baby is getting better. It's getting much better. It allows his dad to carry him, and it's a kind of a big relief for me. Motherhood is not easy. Motherhood is not easy. We thank God, Sha. God is going to give us the strength to carry on, because it's not an easy job. Like, seriously, you hardly have time for yourself. Yesterday I had time for myself. Like, I went to fix my nails. This is the outcome of the nails, guys. I forgot to show you guys. I'm so sorry. So short and comfy. It's so light. Like, I'm able to do everything with my baby, and the nails is not sharp, so I can enjoy my baby boy. I wasn't planning on going out today. Like, today is Saturday, I should just go out, but guys, let me just rest. I need rest because I'm having this headache that it happens once in a while, and I guess it's when I stress myself so much. One side of my head and my face is paining me, like just this side. The other side is not paining me, but this side is aching me, paining me. Like, so guys, I need rest. So I'll just rest today. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'll be going to church, so I'll just rest today, sleep. And guys, I'll be ending this vlog here. Thank you guys for always supporting my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye.